Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Peasy. Today I'm going to show you how to throw something into the trash like LeBron James. First, check if the item you are going to dispose of is it a valuable item or not. No, it's just some trash. Even that, it deserves some respect. Next, look for a bin. I have my dustbin over here. Obviously, I'm feeling lazy to stand up. So I'm going to throw it into the bin like LeBron James. Now, this is a critical step. Hold your trash like this, then aim into the bin, then score. Look at that. Perfect placement. Easy, right? Congratulations. You have learned how to throw something into the bin just like LeBron James. Now, if you want me to show you more, don't forget to like our page and drop a comment. Easy peasy.